Are you struggling to make sales with affiliate marketing? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you what you can do in order to get people to buy more often. Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to show you what you can do to improve your chances of making a sale with affiliate marketing. Now, most people know that the basic things that you need when it comes to affiliate marketing is that you need to pick a niche, you need to pick a product, and then you need to pick a platform that you're going to create content in order to promote that affiliate product on. So this is like the basic foundation when it comes to getting started with affiliate marketing, and this is what most people do. So most people, when they're getting started with affiliate marketing, they all make the same mistake. They get their affiliate link to whatever product they're promoting, they spam it all over the internet, and they pretty much direct people straight to the sales page. But it's important for you to create content that's going to be surrounding the niche that you're focusing on. But even when people who are creating content, who are just getting started with affiliate marketing, they do the same thing. They create their content, they give a call to action, they have the affiliate link in the post on their Facebook page or maybe the description of their YouTube videos, and they send people straight to the sales page. Using this method, it doesn't really work. Yeah, you might get people buying here and there, but it's not really a scalable method. So I'm going to show you what you can do to improve your chances of making sales with affiliate marketing. But before I do, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if you guys are interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so the way to improve your chances of making sales using affiliate marketing is to follow up. Now, what do I mean by that? Whenever somebody watches your content, whether you're creating YouTube videos, you're posting on Facebook or Instagram, or even creating TikTok videos, and they click your affiliate link and it takes them straight to the sales page, the majority of people who go to your affiliate link and go over to the sales page, most of them aren't going to buy, and they're going to go off somewhere else. And if you don't follow up with them, meaning you don't have any of their contact information to be able to follow up with them, more than likely you're never going to have the chance to be able to sell to them again. So if you want to improve your chances of making sales, then you need to create a landing page that people are going to go to that's going to collect their email information before they're redirected to the sales page of whatever product that you're promoting. So whenever somebody does go to your landing page, they enter in their email and then they're redirected to the sales page. If they don't buy it, I mean, that's fine because you can follow up with them through a series of emails. Now, you might be wondering, how would you get somebody to give you their email? The best way to do this is to give them something of value for free in exchange for their email. So think about what niche that you're in, what product that you're promoting, and what's something that's related to that niche or your product, and what's something that they can benefit from. So you would have to come up with something called like a lead magnet or a free offer. So basically this can be something like an ebook. It can be a free video that somebody can watch just by entering their email. They can get access to that video or that ebook, and that's going to incentivize them to give you their email. So going back to the follow-up method, so if somebody enters in their email and they don't buy when they're redirected to the sales page, what you can do is you can just follow up with them by delivering valuable emails, because there can be a lot of reasons why somebody doesn't buy the first time around. Maybe they need more information about that product, or maybe they need to think about it, or they don't have the money at the time. So by sending them a series of emails, you can just further educate them about the product that you're promoting, maybe just deliver valuable content based around that product or that niche. And after a while, when they start opening up your emails and start reading them, you start to build up a little bit of trust in their eyes. So let's say, for example, that you're promoting a weight loss supplement. They enter in their email after going to your landing page. They go to the sales page, but they don't actually buy. You can follow up with them through a series of emails that talk about weight loss tips, healthy eating habits, or just something general that talks about health and wellness. Just by doing this, improves your chances of making sales using affiliate marketing. Now, before I go on, I just want to mention, if you're somebody who's looking to get started with your own online business, but you have no idea where to get started, then I highly recommend checking out the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge, where over the course of 15 days, you're going to learn how to build a high-ticket and high-profit online business, and you're going to learn the 4 core business models that generate high income. Now, you can get access to the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge for only $7, so that's basically for the price of a cup of coffee, which is not much at all compared to all the value that you're going to get. So if you guys are interested in learning more about that, I'll have a link in the top of the description so you guys can check it out. Okay, so one more thing that you can do to improve your chances of making a sale with affiliate marketing is what most people do when they create a landing page. They also create something that's called a bridge page. Now, usually this is something that's placed after somebody hits the landing page. So whenever they go to the landing page, they enter in their email or their information, they're going to be redirected to the bridge page, and from the bridge page, they're going to be redirected to the sales page. So basically what a bridge page does, it pre-sales the person before they hit the sales page. So it can have a short video of you talking about the product, or just a text or an image, and just giving a little bit more information of what they can expect to see when they hit the sales page. So that way when somebody goes to the sales page, they're not completely shocked, they're not seeing something that they're not expecting to see, and it builds a little bit more trust. I'm sure you guys have probably seen this process whenever you buy something that's considered a high ticket item. Well, that's basically what you can do to make more money with affiliate marketing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this method. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.